Again, and a lovely morning. I hope you're enjoying the hot day and enjoying the lectures and feeling super great. We are in our numeracy class right now, in which we are learning about numbers in a different ways, sometimes in figures, sometimes in numbers, sometimes counting, sometimes backward counting, sometimes comparing. So that's all fun because you'll be needing all of that in your lives when you will start your life. If you go for shopping, if you go for to buy something, you as a child, you should know that what are you going to buy, how much is it, how much are you paying for that, how much you want get back from the person. So you should know all of that. So it's good to learn to count. So today we will be learning about counting. So that we'll be doing on the worksheet. So I'm going to share the worksheet with you. And by looking at that, we will be counting. Okay, now this is the first worksheet over here, right? I hope you can all see this, right? Okay, I should take, yeah, this is good, I think. Yeah. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to count and then we are going to write it in the boxes. Okay, now which one is your favorite fruit? There is banana, there is watermelon, there are blueberries, there are bananas, there is a coconut, and then there's a lime. Yeah, this is a lime. So, which one do you think we should start with? I think we should start with the coconut, right? Okay, so let's count the coconut and then we're going to write it in the column over here. We are not going to count the fruits over here, right? We are just going to write over here. So we will be looking at this, the, hold on, we are just going to, if we can, no, we need to, I wanted to make it a little bigger. No, I can't make it a little bigger. Okay, forget about that. No problem. So we will be just looking at, okay, first of all, coconut. Okay, let's count the coconuts. Here, one, yes, two, three, four coconuts. Now we are going to write here the number of the coconuts. So we will write over here. Yay! How many coconuts do we have here? 4 coconuts. That's great. Okay, now we're going to count watermelons. Okay, now all of you count the watermelons. I'm also counting and then we'll point out. Okay, yes. How many? 6. Okay, let's count. 1, yes. 2, good. 3, right. 4, very good. 5, 6. That's great. That's great. Okay, so we are going to write here. Yes, 6. That is great. We have 6 watermelons. Now, the lime or the lemons. This is lemon. I don't think this is a melon. Maybe it can be melon as well, but looks like a lemon. Okay, so we're going to count the lemons like this. Okay, now let's count all of them. How many can you see? 4? No, count them again. Yes, there are 5. Okay, now let's see. There is 1 over here, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. Yay. Okay, so we're going to write here. Yes, great. How many lemons? Yes, 5. Great. So we have a lot to eat. We have 4 coconuts, we have 6 watermelon pieces, and we have 5 lemons. That's great. Okay, let's see how many bananas do we have. A bunch of bananas. I mean, like you're not going to count all the bananas, you're going to count the bunch of the bananas. Okay, so let's see, we have how many? Come on, count. All of you, yes, count all of the bananas. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 banana, bunch of bananas. Yes, that's great. So we're going to write here. Yes, we have got 7 bunches of bananas. A lot to eat and all healthy. That is super great. Amazing. Okay. So now we are going to count the pineapples, right? Okay, now how many pineapples do you see? Let's count them. How many? 5? Again, 5. We had 5 lemons and we also have 5 what am I, pineapple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 5. Okay, let's count them. There's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, we have 5 pineapples. So we're going to write here 5 again. Okay, that's great. Now we are left with blueberries. We have a bunch of blueberries, some bunch of blueberries, and we're going to count them. Okay, come on, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow, that is super great. We have 7 bunches of blueberries. Wow, so that is super great. We have a lot to eat for the lunch today. Lots and lots of eat. And my favorite fruit is, yeah, I love all of them. But right now I feel like eating coconut and pineapple. Yes. Oh my God. They are mouth-watering fruits and I love to eat all of them. That's super great. Super great. That was so yummy activity, wasn't that? Okay, so let's do another yummy activity. So it's not about food this time. Uh, Something else which you really like, right? Okay, let's see. What is that? I'm going to show you. Yay! That is great. Yum, yum, yum. What is it? Yes, cupcakes. You all love cupcakes? Yes, that's great. So we are going to count the cupcakes and we are going to circle the number down, right? Just right under the cupcakes, okay? So we are going to, I think we should take another color this time. We should take, we have to circle. Should take which one, the blue or the red? Red? Okay, let's take. Okay, I'm taking maroon. Okay, red? Okay, red. Okay, that's great. So we have selected red. Okay. So we are not going to start from here as like 1. We will be just doing that. We are going to start from here. Okay. So there is a red cherry over here. So how many do you see over here in this rectangle? How many cupcakes do you see over here? 2. That is great. And what are the numbers written over here? 3, 4, 1, and 2. And which one do we have to circle? Yes, we have to circle 2. That is great. So we are going to circle 2. Oops. I'm sorry. This is not a circle. Okay, this is not at all a circle. Let me clear that. Okay, so let me try it again to make a circle. Not bad. Okay, no problem. So let's come to this. How many can you see over here? Come on, let's count. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 cupcakes. Okay, where can you see 4? Here? No. Here? No. Here? Yay. Okay, let's circle number 4. Okay. Now I'm just picking random. Okay. Now how many cupcakes we're going to count over here, like the green ones? There is 1, 2, good. Start counting. 3, good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So where can you see 9? Here? Here. Okay. So we're going to circle number 9. Oh my God, that's not a circle, but I'm sorry. So we just have to point that out, okay? Okay, now coming over here, the pink cupcakes. How many cupcakes are here? Yeah, there are 3. And where's number 3 written? Yeah, stop. Okay, yes. You're going to tell me where do I have to stop, at which number, okay? Yeah, that is great. This is 3. Okay, let's do the easiest one. How many do you see over here? Yes, 1. And where's number 1? Yeah, that's great. Super great, super great, super great. Okay, that's lovely. Okay, now come to these small blue cupcakes. Okay, now we're going to count them. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yes, that is great. So which number do I have to circle? Yes, which says 1 and 2 together. Yes, 12. Yes, this is 12. Great. Okay, that's so lovely. Okay, now come up to these the purple ones. So you're going to count the purple ones. 1, 2, 3. Yes, good. 5, very good. 6, 7, 8, good. 9 and 10, very good. And where can you see 10? Yes, 1 and 0 makes 10. Now you can eat a lot of cupcakes. You have so many, right? So that was really fun, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Do you want to do some more? Okay, let's do some more activity. Okay, now this time we are going to hold this up. Oh, we have even more and more of them. Okay, that's great. So this time we're going to take another color. We're not going to take red. Let's see, which color should we take? Green. Okay, let's take green. Okay. So we are going to count. Okay, we took green, so we're going to count the green cupcakes. Okay, now let's count. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Count all together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That is great. 20 cupcakes. Wow. So where is number 20 written? Yes, 2020. Super great. Lovely. Yeah, this is 20. Okay. Now let's go up on the pink ones here. Yeah, 1, good. 2, good. 3, 4, 5. Say it loudly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Teen number. Wow. Where is the teen written? Yes, very nice. 1, 3, 13. Good. Very good. So I'm going to give you a star. That is super great. Oh, sorry. I'm going to make it another one. Yeah, this time. Wow, a lovely star for all of you. That's great. Another star. You are doing super great. Amazing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, let's do a different color. Okay, I'll do this color, turquoise color. So let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, sorry. 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Another teen number, 17. So where is 17 written? Over here under the cupcakes. Yes, 1, 7, 17. Very, very, very right. Very right. Another star for you. That is super great. Amazing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That is great. I'm so happy with you. You're doing this activity wonderfully well, and you have recognized all the number and you've counted it so well. That was really, really, really good. So this was an numeracy class in which we have learned about counting, right? But that was so delicious. We had so many cupcakes. We had so many fruits. So we are going to enjoy it today. Okay, so I'm going to see you, say you goodbye from this class, and we'll see each other inshallah in the next class very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have, right? And stay healthy. So till we see each other soon, inshallah, I'm going to say you bye bye and Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.